Grabe. This is my favorite part of this trip. Ito talaga. Grabe. Parang ka nanliliit eh, no?
Ganda.
Parang napaka-insignificant mo eh, no? Pag tumitingin ka sa ganyan.
Not real. Come here. It's not real.
O, tingin dito. 1, 2. Sama ka doon, Del. Oh.
Stop toys. Oh.
Wait, what happened to his finger? He broke it.
O, tingin kayo, Del. Sama ka, Beb.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, smile. Turn around.
O, yan si Kuya, o.
Turn around.
O, turn around.
Smile.
O, 1, 2,
Smile.
3. Okay.
I want to climb the mountain. Go. Are we gonna?
Smile normally. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ariana, look. Good, nice. Look here. Yan. Right here. Oh, ano ba yan? Ito natanggal. Sige.
There's a lot of ice. How far do we want to take? Uy, si Daddy. Ay, Jay. Oh, ayan. Steps. These are steps. Diba, Jay? Ayan, steps. How many steps, Jay? Going to the top. Ay, binibilang ni J.A. You wanna walk, J.A? Asan na sila, Daddy? Ayan sila, Kuya. Tsaka sila, Daddy. Ayan o. Ay, JC! Sus, Maria ka!
Jay, wala akong sinabing pumunta ka dyan. Ang baka.
Ayaw ba? Ha? Ayaw?
Hindi, nagbibideo.
Nagbibideo ko eh.
Bakit ang nangyayari?
Ano yung mga bata? Malayo pa ba, Teng? Doon daw po. Paano kung may... Ayun sila, Ate Olive. Bakit ba? Isa pa!
Tignan mo, nadudumihan ka.
1, 2, 3! Oh, taas na nila.
So blue.
Yeah, good.
Ibig sabihin, ang lalim yan, babe. Blue eh, di ba? O green. Ano ba dapat malalim? Ayan o. Ang daming steps. Bago namin narating. Bakit naman nakaupo si JC? Ha? Okay lang ba yun? Oh, Jay, halika na. Wow! So beautiful.
Pa-picture ka na. Hindi, magpipicture nga tayo dito. Mamaya tayo bababa. Ba't alam mo yan? Lagyan mo sa bulsa mo. Lagyan mo sa packet. Ayun, may packet. Oy, picture na tayo.
Halika na.
Oy!
Legend!
Ayun na, smile na.
This is the beauty of Moraine Lake with a beautiful family. Amaranto family. This is JC, JA, JM, and JJ. Ah, what's JM? Can you show me your handsome face? Okay. Oh.
Yay! Thank you, Lord.
Teka muna.
Ay, ano ba?
Hindi pa tapos.
Nakatay. JM, come on, JC.
Tapos.
Ay, tinatawag kayo ni Auntie Mercy. Bilis. Sige na, dali
Dito.
na. Oh, ayun na. Ayun na.
I-edit mo na lang eh. Hindi ko na...
Shit. Cut na lang yun.
Bibili ko siya ice cream eh. Ba't yung pa-landscape para makita yung landscape?
Oo nga, alin ba?
Oh, landscape naman na, Ateng. Ay, video para si Ateng kanina.
Video tayo, kaya ting.
Ito po, sa Moraine Lake.
Moraine Lake.
Kaway, pag-wait time.
Andito na tayo sa Banap.
It's so pretty.
Oh, asa na gift sa inyo ni Ate Penny? Show me. Ha? What will you say to Ate Penny for her gifts?
Thank you.
Most especially.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ate Penny.
No,
God bless more.
You're going to my next room, but first put. Owie, you pulled my hair. Can we do a voice recording, even though we're at like 6%? Seriously?
Jay, yan ang bigay sa ni Ate Penny? Wow.
Okay, restart.
Oh, kiss mo daw si Ate Penny. Kiss mo daw, kiss ka daw niya, oh. Jay, kiss mo daw si Ate Penny, oh. Oh. Ay, nauntog na. Ay, nako, Jayka.
I'll make the sound you make.
Why does that sound like someone farting?
Are you pooping? Nakaihi pala kayo, hindi? Hindi kayo nakaihi?
Ay, tulog ulit si Jay.
My brother's kiss. Oh, Saturday. I love Saturday.
JM, pakitaas mo yung ulo ni JA. Wag na, baka magising.
Menen! Menen!
We kissed a man.
A man?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Ay, lagot ka kay Daddy.
Daddy.
No.
Ay, sorry.
Mountain. Jay, you're so zesty.
Sorry, J.A.
We're going to bed. We're going home. When I first heard you say that, I thought we were
Banaf.
Banap.